Good evening, all of you. Respected guests, parents, all teaching and non-teaching staff of Suyesh English School Kalher and National English School Dapode, and my lovely students. I am as a Secretary of Sainath Educational Trust and Principal of Suyesh English School Kalher welcomes all of you gathered here from the bottom of my heart. First of all, I wish you a very happy New Year 2024. All 365 days will filled with love, laughter and good times. This year brings you a lot of happiness and prosperity. May all your dreams will take flight in this year. This year, may you make yourself healthy, wealthy and prosperous. Today, we are celebrating here annual function and prize distribution ceremony of National English School. All of us know that the founder and chairman of Sainath Education Trust and the principal of National English School, Mr. Panman Sir, has started Suyesh English School at Kalher in 2008. This year, 6th batch of 10th standard is studying here. All the students works hard and brings good results. Panman Sir noticed that so many students from Valpada, Gundavali and Dapode also coming at Kalher for taking education in English medium schools. For common people, it is more expensive to pay school fees as well as traveling charges. It is troublesome for students also because of traffic problems. During rainy season, so many times they have missed their schools. It get affected on studies also. To avoid all these problems, Sir has started new branch named National English School in this Dapode village. Like Kalher, here also we got well response from students and parents. Here teachers also very hardworking. Though Sir did not got lot of time to guide them, but all of them are doing their work properly. In this way, with the help of parents, students and teachers, we are running this National English School very successfully. For all-round development of the students, so many curricular and co-curricular activities are taken here. Students are participating with great interest and teachers also guides properly. So, parents, you also motivate your wards, try to make them good human beings. Though we have to do lot of struggle to earn our daily bread and butter, but like air, water, food and shelter, education also very important. Education is the fundamental need of every child. With the help of education and hard work, we can achieve everything in our life. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible only because of education. Every child can get knowledge, learn good manners, gives respect to all, build good characters, can put head high in the society is possible only because of education. Dear parents, please give importance to girls' education also. Educated girl leads both the houses, both the families. So, for the well-being of our society, girls' education is very important. In our today's program, we are going to appreciate our students who stood first and second in the annual exams, as well as we have taken part in sports and other activities like speech competition, drawing, good handwriting, singing, fancy dress and so many. Students, our third unit test and first prelim of 10th standard is going to start from 19 January. So you have to concentrate on studies and do your best. And at last, it is my humble request, please enjoy whole program with discipline. Once again, Happy New Year all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.